Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the middle number out of three integer number in C language and short logic. Third technique applied to in my YouTube channel. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open. Alt F file menu, in new file, and here our goal, write a program to enter three integer numbers and find out middle number. So you have to know very well minimum number, maximum, and that is a middle. So like 10, 20, and 30. So 20 is our middle number. So that is always my technique. So first, what is a input, then what is a process, and then what is a output of any definition. So divide and conquer, that is rules of British, we can apply to our C language development logic. So here three number, uh, enter, that is our input. So three integer number we have to enter and find out the middle number, that is our output. And how to find that number, that is our logic, or we can say that process. So here I apply the uh, third technique, and that is very short, that is we can say that logic. So yes, short logic, or we can say that use here main as a uh, conditional. So that is a conditional, or we can say that in C language, ternary operator. So that is a conditional operator known as a ternary operator. There are three parts. So that is known as ternary, unary, binary, and ternary. There are three types of operator in C language. So here we can use very concise, or we can very short logic. So yes, and we can study the six case. First, x we can middle two times, y two time middle, and z. So if you not watch my two previously, first technique with logical and or operator, first technique I same definition. Then second, my YouTube video lecture, that is without logical operator, and that is the same definition. I apply the third logic and short, very concise logic. So, and you can also use my watch video as a conditional operator in C language. So I cannot write here syntax directly apply to that our example. So middle number find out. So yes, I first include our header file. So stdio.h, then Conio console input output.h, that is link section in C language, and now main function over an opening closing brace, that is starting of ending programming, that is opening for program and close that our program. So opening closing brace, and here we can declare three integer variable x, y, and z, and then clear the screen. And then printf, I first input part cover, so enter the x value, that is a shootable message, and then scanf. So printf scanf, you have to know very well what is the use of in C language. So scan the our value and print the print message and variable value. So yes, so here I use short technique, copy and paste. So here where this win editor menu, so edit menu, here control insert and shift insert, that is a shortcut key of copy and paste in this editor. So now I can change the message shootable, here Y and scanf Y, and here Z, and here also Z. Now only one line this logic, so output and logic in one line. So the middle, yes, we can say that middle number is percentage d, and here write directly. You can also take fourth variable and assign the variable and then print, but here directly I second argument of printf function as our logic. So how a very short concise logic. So here we can say that x is greater than y, yes, and then question mark. So parenthesis, then colon, and again parenthesis. If this condition is true, so this part is run, and if that main our condition is false, so that part is run. I can write. So here we can say that x is greater than y and z is greater than x. So we can say that x is a middle y number, and otherwise we can say that again parenthesis and take y is greater than z. So question mark, and we can say that y otherwise z. So that is a nested if else like condition. So if x is greater than y and z is greater than x, so x is a middle number. And here this condition is false, so we can say that x is greater than z, and here y is greater than z, and so y is a middle number because here first condition x is always that greater than y, so we can say that y is middle number and otherwise z is a middle number. So at first that is main our if, and this is that body part, we can say that that is a opening closing brace like if else part. And now we can, if our main condition is false, so y is greater than x, this condition is false, so execute this part. So here we can say that z is greater than y. So first here we can write z is greater than y, and now here we can say that z is greater than y. So we can directly say that y is middle number and colon sign again nesting. So I provide again parenthesis and x is greater than z. So previously we can say that y is greater than z. Here we can x is greater than z. So here again we can provide question. So x and colon so z. So yes, here proper nesting parenthesis proper. So here first our parenthesis start, here that close, and inner parenthesis here start and here close that properly. So we can check, otherwise that syntax error is appear. So here our main parenthesis start and here that is close, and inner that parenthesis start to here and that is close to here. So in your mind question, what is a last? So that is a printf function, that is last parenthesis. Yes, here we can start that parenthesis. So that all are well, I think. So let us check get ch, and now I can save this file. So F2 function key, and we can say that middle underscore number and tech 3. So yes, that already I overwrite. Yes, no problem. So that is third technique. So let us check. I first two case means 6 case we have to pass out. Yes, there is no any error, and our exe file is generated. So I first take x is a middle, so 20, then enter, then 10 and 30. So that is a first case. Yes, middle number is 20. Yes, perfect. So now second for x is fixed, but y is 30 and z is 10. So yes, that is also take 20. So first two case for x is pass out. Now two case for y. So here 10, 20 and 30. Y is fixed for 20 middle number. So yes, that perfectly our output. Now uh, 40, 20 and 10 Z. So Y is fixed 20. So that is second case for Y two time. Yes, that all pass out. Now Z fixed. So 10, 30 and 20. Z is middle number. So yes, that also pass out. No problem. Same again. So here we can say that 30, 10 and 20. So that is also, yes, all are well. So there is perfect, no any change and perfect to our logic. So all cases pass. And here there are 6 statements. You can also, here we can convert in 2 statements. So how? So you can also use only one scanf and printf. So enter x, y, and z value. So we can scan at the same time x, y, and z value. So how the scan? Yes, let us check. So here ampersand y, comma ampersand z. So we can remove these 4 statements. So very concise and short logic. So how to scan 3 value at the same time? So that is example. So I compile again. Yes, there is one error, and let us check. So there are input. There are 2 techniques. This type of same scanf we can enter two type means 2 technique enter value. So first technique. So 10 and in between one blank space, so 20 and 30. So that is a first technique. So let us just 20. And now I use as a second technique. So uh, 20 and enter key press. Previously we can provide the blank page. So enter technique two type of enter type. This one can have multi-value you can scan. There are blank page and now I can use enter key. So again, that is compiler is waiting to you because there is two values remaining. So again, I give the different, so means enter key and then now print. So there are two techniques you can scan. One provide the blank in between one value and use also as a enter key. So yes, so all are, let us check. So now I can give 10, 20 and 30. Yes, and now I use as a 30, then 20 and 10. Okay, and next I use as a 30, 10, I blank space use. So yes, Z is a middle number. And last, that is I run. So here I use as a 10 and 30 and 20. So Z is a middle number. So all are well. So yes, I think perfectly. So very concise and you can say that short logic. So I hope you can understand and very simple and very interesting. So how to find out middle number using ternary operator in C language. So very short logic applied to here. Only main one line and here we can use only two statement, three variable scan as a scanf and printf function. So write this program to your C notebook if you prepare and very simple. So now I can close. So here I close Alt F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakadi. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.